How to fix Amazon Prime Video sign up problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Amazon Prime Video sign up problem. For this, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Prime Video. Now you want to check for updates over here. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This will fix any bugs in the application and you will be able to sign up without any issue. Now tap on the open option and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next step is to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps or app management. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown over here. You want to scroll down and find the Prime Video app. Tap on this. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. You have the option of force stop. Go ahead and tap that. Now tap on the OK option. Once you do this, you want to restart your device. After you have restarted your mobile phone, you want to launch Open Prime Video and check if your problem is fixed. Now, if that doesn't fixes your issue, you want to uninstall the application. Once it has been uninstalled, reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store, and then you can open the app and sign up into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.